Today is March 18, 2026, and here is the news that you can use. This is the Exchange Daily, providing the 5 minutes that secure your 24 hours. Because in this environment, guesswork isn't a strategy. NIST just released its new report on challenges to monitoring deployed AI systems. The document outlines gaps in oversight, bias detection, and performance tracking once models move into production. Federal agencies and enterprises scaling AI must address these monitoring barriers now to maintain trust and compliance in live environments. These monitoring gaps are coming into sharp focus as the Pentagon takes decisive action on AI supply chain risks. The department has issued a 180-day directive to remove Anthropic AI products from all military systems. Citing supply chain concerns, the order covers sensitive areas including nuclear command, missile defense, and cyber operations. Contractors and agencies using Anthropic tools should accelerate alternative evaluations and migration planning immediately. While federal AI oversight intensifies, cloud infrastructure spending is projected to surge. IDC forecasts public cloud expenditures will surpass $1 trillion globally in 2026, with AI platforms driving more than 21% growth. Enterprise and federal leaders should revisit capacity planning, PaaS adoption, and AI workload strategies as cloud economics shift dramatically. This massive cloud expansion is being supported by regulatory changes at the Federal Communications Commission. The FCC is advancing its Network and Services Modernization Order. The rules reduce legacy disclosure burdens, consolidate technology transition discontinuance processes, and preempt conflicting state mandates. Carriers and federal network operators gain faster paths to IP-based infrastructure without added paperwork. Agencies are already demonstrating how these modernization efforts pay off. The Department of Transportation has completed its 6-month sprint migrating nearly all offices to Google Workspace. Email, calendar, and collaboration tools are now live across most bureaus, demonstrating rapid productivity modernization at scale. Federal CIOs running similar legacy-to-cloud transitions should study this sprint model for speed and minimal disruption. Finally, in our single consolidated cybersecurity pulse, the White House released President Trump's cyber strategy for America. The 6-pillar plan emphasizes zero-trust architecture, post-quantum cryptography, AI-powered defenses, and streamlined regulations across federal networks and critical infrastructure. Executives should align roadmaps to these priorities for both compliance and competitive advantage. That's the exchange for today. Remember, guesswork isn't a strategy. We'll see you next time for the 5 minutes that secure your next 24 hours. All information is from publicly available sources. The Exchange Daily is a production of Matora Solutions LLC, a service-disabled veteran-owned small business. Every effort is made to keep details accurate as of publication time, but readers should always confirm time-sensitive items such as policy changes, budget figures, and timelines with official documents and briefings. This is not legal, investment, procurement, security, compliance, nor technical advice. Always validate with primary sources before action. All rights reserved. Copyright Matora Solutions LLC 2026.